One thing I always recommend is leveraging your AutoCAD commands as much as possible when you're working in plant because most people already know a lot about AutoCAD, so it only makes sense to utilize a lot of those commands when you're working in Plant 3D. So one thing that we can do is convert an AutoCAD line into pipe. So before you do that, make sure that you have your line set like you want. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just pick this line here. And you can see I have a size. And I'm just going to say line as though I'm creating a line on here according to whatever needs I have. Enter. And now if you go into your part insertion tab, you have a command that says line to pipe right here. You can also use your command either in dynamic input or the command line, plant convert line to pipe. If you go ahead and do that, all you have to do is select the line, choose enter, and you'll see that you've created that line and you've routed it from the pipe and everything is there. Now, although it is possible to use a polyline here, you're not necessarily going to get the results that you're looking for if you're using a polyline with an arc. In other words, you can't use this to automatically develop some type of hose or bent tubing. I'll go ahead and enter in the polyline command, and I'm going to start drawing a polyline. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and add, I want to go ahead and add in an arc. Okay. So I'll make a fairly large arc here. Let me go ahead and turn off this ortho so I can make this arc a little bit more exaggerated. And I'll keep this out to where it's at 90 degrees. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and convert this, but I'm telling you that it's not going to do this in a hose-like or bent pipe fashion. We'll go ahead and select the polyline, and then when we select enter, you'll see that it's going to build it, but it's going to build it with 90-degree elbows. So it'll get you to the point where you need to be, but it's not going to create bent pipe for you.